Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have a 2023 XSR125 Legacy. A little personal favourite of mine with these little bikes. I think they're a cracking looking bike with the chunky tyres, the spoke wheels, gold rims. Really stylish 125. Let's have a look round at this one. This one's done just under 2,000 miles. So looking down, there is a couple of little marks on it which I'll point out as we go round. So the little XSR headlight there. All good on the front mudguard. There's those chunky tyres. Rims all good. Can't see anything untoward on there. No stone chips on the front. All underneath. Downpipe looks clean. Going around the side of the engine. That great little 125 that Yamaha puts in all their models. Side of the tank all good. And the side coming down here. This one's got the engine protectors on, just on there. Couple of little marks on the edge of the exhaust, not sure if you can see that, just there and there, and a little bit there. Rear wheel all good. Looking down inside of the chain sprocket, and all clean and tidy in there. Little mark on the side of the indicator, just there. Going around the back, that retro tail light. Nice big comfy seat. And on top of the tank there, no scratches, dents or anything like that. Going around this side, chain and sprocket and this side of the wheel. All clean. Getting down the left hand side. All good. Again, engine protector on this side. Got a little marks on there. A little tiny bit of that aluminium there. And again, this side of the front wheel. All good. Coming up to the top. End of the handlebars and mirror all good on that side. Going round to this side. Little mark on the end of the mirror, just there. And just on the end of the handlebar, just there. And front brake lever. But all in all, very tidy 125. Switch gear, all good. And mirror glass, all good. Have a little look at the display. And there you can see the miles, 1707. Let's start it up. Nice quiet engine. What a great looking little bike. So there we have it, XSR125 Legacy, less than 2,000 miles. What a lovely example. Give us a call or drop us an email, be happy to look after you. Thanks for watching.